Hello and welcome to the Planlord Ask a Real Estate Attorney vlog series, and this is vlog number 4. And today's question is, how long do I have to wait before starting the eviction process? And I like this question because there's quite a few different answers depending on your reason for eviction. So, assuming it's for failure to pay rent, many jurisdictions have a mandatory grace period that you have to wait. For example, in Maryland, that's where I primarily practice, you have to wait out a mandatory 5-day grace period. And if you do not know your jurisdiction's grace period, you should contact an attorney and they can tell you. If you want to file for breach of lease, however, you may be required to send your tenant a notice before starting the eviction process. So where I practice, we generally have to send a 30-day notice to quit or notice to cure, whatever you want to call it. In extreme situations, we can send a 14-day notice, such as the tenant is a danger to the property, himself, or to other tenants or something like that. Extreme situations, 14-day notice, generally 30. But let's say, for example, you want to evict the tenant for tenant holding over. Let's go with that, tenant holding over. So you may be required to send the notice. In most jurisdictions where I practice in Maryland, we have to send a 30-day notice in order to evict tenants for holding over. However, in some, we have to use a 60-day notice. So even in your state, your counties or your cities may have different rules. So make sure you know them. And again, feel free to contact an attorney, your jurisdiction. And lastly, if you want to evict a non-tenant or a squatter, many jurisdictions do not require that you give these non-tenants or squatters any notice at all, and you can just start the legal process. But again, I don't know the answer for every jurisdiction, so make sure you look it up and verify that. So contact an attorney to find out just how many days you need to wait to begin the eviction process in your jurisdiction or wherever jurisdictions you may have properties located at. And if you have properties in Maryland or DC, feel free to contact me and I can help you with that. So thanks for watching. Don't be a landlord, be a planlord.